let's take a look at union organizing. Unions begin their involvement with an organization's employees by conducting an organizing campaign. The organizing process begins when union representatives make contact with employees, present their message about the union, and invite them to sign an authorization card. If at least 30% of employees sign an authorization card, the NLRB conducts a secret ballot election. If over half the employees sign an authorization card, the union may request that the employer voluntarily recognize the union. If the employer agrees, the NLRB certifies the union as an exclusive representative of employees. On the ballot, workers vote for or against union representation. They may also have a choice from among more than one union. If the union wins a majority of votes, the NLRB certifies the union. Once certified, additional elections may not be held for 1 year. Also, after the union and employer have finished negotiating a contract, an election cannot be held for the time of the contract period or for 3 years, whichever comes first. During the campaign, unions try to persuade employees that their wages, benefits, treatment by employers, and chances to influence workplace decisions are too small and that the union will be able to obtain improvements in these areas. Management may say the organization has provided a valuable package of wages and benefits and has treated employees well. Management also argues that the union will not keep its promises but will instead create costs for employees. The traditional union organizing strategy has been for organizers to call or visit employees at home, when possible, to talk about issues like pay and job security. They may also reach out through email or social media. Another alternative to traditional organizing is to conduct corporate campaigns, bringing public, financial, or political pressure on employers during union organization and contract negotiation. An election to decertify a union may not take place when a contract is in effect. The number of decertification elections has increased from about 5% of all elections in the 1950s and 1960s to more than double that rate in recent years. In fiscal year 2017, the NLRB reported that 12.4% of elections were decertification elections.